Hello guys, this is our program for button. So when I switch on the button, our LED will grow, or whatever we want to do with that, it will depend on our program. So I declare two integer. First button pin, it is pin number 2. So I will take my input on pin number 2, and as before, LED pin number 13, because you know the LED is connected to pin number 13 of Arduino. I declare another variable button state. It will store the value of the switch. Now as always, we will use two loop: void setup, void loop. In void setup, I declare first LED pin as output. So pin number 13 is declared as output. Button pin as input. So pin number 2 is declared as input because we are taking input from the switch on but pin number 2. Or I also write digital write to high. It means when I am not doing anything, the pin number 2 will get high value. This concept is known as pull up. I explained you earlier. In while loop, we will take a look at on main program. First, I use a different function, digital read. This function will take the value of input, the value of digital input on the pin, Arduino pin. Here I use button pin, which is pin number 2. And whatever value take, it will be stored in integer button state. Now we'll check. If button state is low, it means if we press the switch. I wrote here digital write LED pin high, so our LED will glow, else our LED will not glow. Now let's compile the program. There is no problem in that. Now go to ICs. This is our simulation. I already programmed this Arduino LED. You can see LED. You can see the resistance, you can the switch, and switch is connected to ground. So when I press the switch, the value go to the pin number 2 is 0 volt. So initially our switch is open, our LED is not glowing as according to our program, and when I press the switch, you can see LED is glowing. This is our main concept, main task what we have acquired. But guys, I want to tell one thing, that doing simulation on Proteus is helpful, but for learning process, if you want to learn properly, if you want to remember it properly, you must do it practically on real Arduino board, real LED, real resistance and switch. You will come to know about many difficulties, many problems which you may face if you are doing it, like debouncing problem. I will tell you about debouncing in later subject, later chapter. So I recommend you to do all these things practically. Thank you.